Hello guys, we're now going to make our spicy wonton and dumpling soup. So, let's start. Hindi tayo kumuha ng ground pork. Mas maganda for me yung kumuha tayo ng fresh na pork. Tapos tayo na lang nag-food processor. Nilagyan natin ng mushroom, ginger, salt and pepper. Lagyan na rin natin ng egg. Yan. Tapos mekos-mekos. Ganun lang po. Tapos ilagay na natin sa ating molo wrapper. So, syempre, kailangan bonggacious yan. Dikitan mo lang yan with water. Molo wrapper. No, yan yung dumpling natin. O, diba? Pakulaan natin ng 3 minutes. 3 minuto lang po. Okay? Now, let's make our sauce. We are now going to put here the broth. And then we're going to put here our greens. Let's put here our Worcestershire sauce. And now let's put here our vinegar. Let's put here our chili sauce. Let's put here our minced garlic. And I'll put here more chili. And now we put here our soy sauce. That's our sauce. Yan, so pag napakuluan na natin yan, pwede na nating lagyan din yung pinagpakuluan ng dumplings natin ng miswa. Or kata ng noodles. Yung miswa, lagyan mo lang ng ginger, salt, onting soy sauce. Yan, malasa na yan. Pwede na nating ihalo. Ayan, kasi ilalagay din natin yung sauce na ginawa natin kanina. Ilagay na natin yung mga dumplings. So, ayan na. Lagyan natin ng sauce. And then, lagyan natin ng spicy chili sauce ulit. Tapos, lagyan na natin ang pinakamasarap na pampalasa, yung ating onion leeks. There you go! So, now that's our wonton.